And then once we decide our budget there, we're going to go ahead and click on next. Now, there also is usually an introductory offer that you can get that's going to get you some free ad credits. So if we go back to Google Ads homepage, we see this option here. If we're new to Google Ads, we get up to $1,500 in ad credits. So if we have a code for that, we can do that. We can claim that. Sometimes you can find codes. If I have any codes, I'll put them down below in the description of this video here to hopefully get you some ads credits. They're not always available, but you can tend to find them. We're going to set up our payments profile. You can connect a credit card, a debit card, other forms of payment for that. And then we also have the option for a Google Ads representative to call us and actually help us with running our ads or setting them up if we have questions or concerns with that. So you can say yes. They don't always contact you, but there's a pretty good chance that they will, and just kind of help you out to get things running smoothly. Because remember, even though Google wants you to spend a lot of money, they also want you to be successful with ads, because then they're going to make more money in the long term. So, they do have some incentives there to have us doing well with their platform. So I'm filling in my information here for my payments profile, and then we'll continue.